Today we are going to see how to decorate the candles using paper napkins. Hey guys, it's Nikki here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I love to make cute craft and beautiful home decor DIYs every week. So if you're interested in that, hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. So let's begin with the process. I'm using here a big plain candle and I'm just removing the plastic and the sticker from the surface. We are also going to need the paper napkin, so just make sure the paper napkin is with the white background. The design, you can use any type of design, this type of bird design or any flower design, that's okay. But since we are not going to give any paint on the candle, so the base is only the white candle, so make sure that you are using any design with a white background. It will look good on the candle. I am going to cut this paper napkin as per the size of candle, so I'll just check which part of design I want to keep, and according to that I'll cut down the paper napkin. So now with little amount of water on brush, I am going to start tearing the paper. Now any extra design or any extra white paper you see, you can remove it using this method. So what I'm going to do is I'm just tear down little part on the all four edges of this paper so that this paper will blend on the background easily. So this method is generally used in any type of decoupage you do. So if you don't have any sharp edges with scissors, it will blend easily with the background. Once we are done with that, we are just going to remove the extra layer of paper from the napkin. Now we are going to need baking paper or parchment paper. I'm just going to cut down the small part of this paper of around candle size. Now hold the paper napkin around the candle, wrap the parchment paper around nice and firm and fix it with a cello tape. If you're not comfortable holding it like this will make sure that the paper napkin will not move. Now start your heat gun and start applying the heat on the surface of this paper. We need to press down the design once the wax starts melting. So be careful while doing this process, do not hurt yourself. If you're not comfortable, you can just stop the dryer, press down the design and repeat the same process again and again. It took me around 4 to 5 minutes with a blow dryer to complete this process. And this is how my candle looks like. The design blended with the candle and this decorative candle is ready. Here is a quick tutorial of how to gift wrap it easily. Now for this we are going to use a transparent wrapping paper. Using it, the decoupage design on the candle can be seen from outside. Cut the wrapping paper, leaving some extra space at the bottom and top part. Wrap it around the candle and fix it with a cello tape. Cut the bottom part like this and fix it with a cello tape. Now for the top part, we are just going to get everything together and wrap it like a candy. Use a beautiful ribbon and bow to finish it. And here the beautiful candles wrapped and ready to go To watch such more craft and home decor ideas, click the subscribe button. Also like the video and click the bell icon so that you won't miss my new videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.